Here's a short video explaining expository writing in a little more detail. Reminder, expository writing means writing that explains something else. So for this project, your expository writing will explain how you designed your study space. So here's my expository writing. In the last video, I showed you how to create a Google Doc and how to embed it into your study space. Let's have another look at that and actually look at my own writing. So we're going to write in colors. You see the claim is in pink. That's your big idea for the whole paragraph. My study space is set up to be a relaxing environment that highlights some of my interests, right? That's the big idea for this whole paragraph. Then I would have green, that's evidence. One element in my study space is the kitten, okay? So that's one example of something I put in my study space. Then I would give the reasoning in blue, a couple sentences explaining the significance of that evidence, so explaining why I wanted a kitten here. Another piece of evidence. This one I talk about the fact that I put books in my study space. Then a couple sentences explaining the significance of that, why I included books, okay? So now that I have it, I want to link that into my study space, link the writing into my study space. Click the share button in the top right. I check that I have the share settings set to Waltham Public Schools. Don't forget that step so that when I click your study space, trying to go to the expository writing, I'll be able to have access to look at your writing. So this is set to Waltham Public Schools. I click copy link. Now I go back to the study space. I choose an object that I want it linked to. So I want it linked to my cat. I click the cat, I hit insert, link, and then I do Control V to put the link here, and I hit apply. Now, if someone clicks the cat, it will take them right to the expository writing. Now, the last step, and I know I mentioned this in my previous video, in the comments down below, give me a note to tell me where I should click to find your expository writing. So I wrote a note here saying, click the cat to check out my exposition paragraph.